Welcome to the FY25 Autocad Global Launch presentation. My name is Shamdev, Product Marketing Manager for Autocad Desktop, and on behalf of the team, I'd like to welcome you to Autocad 2025.
CAD의 시작에서 클라우드의 출현에 이르기까지, 3D의 도입에서 AI에 대한 투자까지, 오토데스크는 설계에 영감을 불어넣고 팀을 연결하고 창의성을 향상하는 혁신적인 솔루션을 제공하기 위한 긴 여정을 지나고 있습니다. 이 여정은 오토캐드의 최신 릴리즈에서 계속됩니다. 오토데스크는 자동화를 통해 인사이트를 확보하고 작업 시간을 절감해 왔습니다. 이제 오토데스크 AI를 통해 이러한 기능을 완전히 새로운 차원으로 끌어올릴 때가 되었습니다. 작업 효율성 향상과 우수한 설계 작성에 집중할 수 있도록 도와주는 기능인 스마트 블록부터 살펴보죠. 스마트 블록은 머신러닝 기술로 구동되는 일련의 기능으로 일치하는 형상을 빠르게 검색해 블록으로 변환해주고 도면 내에서 객체를 배치 및 대체하고 인식된 객체를 스캔하여 권장사항을 제공해줍니다. 표식 도우미는 공동 작업자의 PDF 또는 수기로 작성한 표식을 통합하고 원본 소스의 피드백을 객체로 변환하는 과정을 간소화해주는 기능이며 오토데스크 AI는 오토캐드 내에서 인식된 작업을 추천하고 자동화하는 기능을 제공합니다. 또한 기본 제공되는 오토데스크 어시스턴트와 내 정보 기능을 사용하면 소중한 정보를 효과적으로 활용할 수 있습니다. 이렇게 업데이트된 AI 기능과 함께 패치, 활동 정보, S3의 ArcGIS 베이스맵 통합과 같은 여러 향상된 기능을 통해 설계자와 드래프터는 더 스마트하고 정밀하게 작업을 수행할 수 있습니다. 또한 클라우드 기반의 공통 데이터 환경인 오토데스크 닥스를 통해 CAD와 빔 소프트웨어 간의 설계 데이터를 연결하여 협업 환경을 더욱 향상시킬 수 있습니다. 어디서나 모든 디바이스에서 하나의 오토캐드 환경에 연결하여 이동 중에도 아이디어를 공유하고 검토하고 수집할 수 있습니다. 오토캐드를 신뢰하는 수백만 명의 사용자들이 매일 혁신적인 물건을 설계하고 제작하면서 마음껏 창의력을 발휘하고 있습니다. 굉장한 이야기지만 아직 시작에 불과합니다. 오토캐드의 세계에 오신 것을 환영합니다.
Autocad continues to deliver design and drafting capabilities trusted by millions. We're here not only to talk about what's new, but what we've included in recent releases of Autocad that can improve customer workflows. Autocad continues to drive three core pillars that we know are important to the work our users do day in and day out. Autocad accelerates creativity to help you focus on the details that matter most, staying connected with the teams no matter where you choose to work, and gives the flexibility to work the way you want. These three pillars are aligned to help customers achieve better outcomes using Autocad, to increase workload capacity, manage design and project complexity, reduce overall design time, and improve collaboration. Next, I'd like to welcome Kayla Tinadorio-Carty, Head of Autocad Marketing, to talk to you about the ways Autocad is positioned to accelerate creativity.
Thanks, Sham. By leveraging AI and performance enhancements, we're committed to helping you focus on what matters most, delivering innovative design solutions with precision and efficiency. And our engineers have been hard at work extracting every bit of performance out of each release of Autocad. And that keeps coming with 2025. I wanted to share this quote from Marcus O'Brien, the Vice President of Autocad. Autodesk is committed to creating the most performant CAD tool in the market. What you'll see this year is we're delivering on this commitment. In AutoCAD 2025, on average, 2D files will now open 2 times faster when compared to AutoCAD 2024. This is a significant achievement by our engineers, which will save designers time over the course of each project they work on. And we didn't stop there. We've also improved features like Hatch. Customers will be delighted that in AutoCAD 2025, you now have the option to draw boundaries of your hatch after initiating the command, no longer having to rely on existing boundaries within the drawing canvas. And you can now create hatch textures along paths. These updates will support the customer outcome of helping designers reduce design time and improve readability in their drawings. Our team has been investing in AI to help you do more. And with the announcement of Autodesk AI, we can now tell you how AutoCAD has been supporting it. Our advancements in AI are helping customers to meet the moment, not just by increasing productivity, but by giving you tools that help you push the boundaries of what's possible. And with AutoCAD 2025, we're excited to bring you even more capabilities. Let me pass it back to Sham to tell you more about these advancements.
Thanks, Kayla. We first introduced Smart Blocks in AutoCAD 2024 with the placement and replacement features. These tools are designed to help customers increase workload capacity and reduce overall design time. And in AutoCAD 2025, we're continuing to leverage Autodesk AI to improve this core 2D drafting experience. Using the new Smart Blocks Search and Convert tool, users can quickly organize geometry into blocks, providing options to convert them into instances of a block with the help of Autodesk AI. After testing this feature during the beta, Joe describes Search and Convert as a more efficient way to work with blocks. With the new Smart Blocks Object Detection Tech Preview, customers can scan drawings for objects to convert into blocks. This tool is designed to help save time when cleaning up drawings that have been drafted without the use of blocks or imported from non-AutoCAD based applications and file formats like PDF. First introduced in the 2024.1 update, Autodesk Assistant gives customers quick access to help resources using the built-in palette. With AutoCAD 2025, Autodesk Assistant is now enhanced with Autodesk AI, using a conversational interface that can generate responses. Customers can reduce overall design time by asking questions related to AutoCAD features, troubleshoot design challenges, and connect with an Autodesk support agent so they can continue to work without having to leave AutoCAD. Marcus described their experience as exactly what they would need from an AI assistant. Next, to talk about the connected design experience that AutoCAD enables, I'd like to welcome Luke Chomsky, Product Marketing Manager for AutoCAD Web.
AutoCAD enables you to work the way you want with one experience across devices, helping to improve collaboration. Whether you choose to work on a desktop, laptop, on the web, or using a mobile device, you'll be able to capture, share, and review ideas on the go. AutoCAD Web offers essential drafting and design capabilities for your everyday needs, allowing you to quickly collaborate on a design directly from the job site or wherever you're working. Bring teams together to review and edit CAD drawings via quick collaboration with AutoCAD users on designs. View, edit, markup, and share drawings from virtually any device, allowing you to make assessments and changes in the field, enabling real-time feedback and collaboration. Customers who have access to AutoCAD on desktop also have access to enhanced features on AutoCAD on the web, like AutoLisp, Batch Publish, and much more. With AutoCAD on mobile, you can view, edit, or contribute to a drawing from wherever you are, on your iOS or Android phones and tablets. You can also access your files offline, or sketch using a smart pen for a friendly on-the-go experience.
AutoCAD 2025 introduces several enhancements for customers who manage design projects using Autodesk Docs. Autodesk Docs is our cloud-based common data environment available for professionals as a part of the AEC collection. As you may have heard at OTC this year, Autodesk Docs is a great opportunity for AutoCAD customers to improve collaboration. The 2025 feature releases related to AutoCAD and Autodesk Docs represents an opportunity to encourage more customers to upgrade from AutoCAD to the AEC collection. With this release, architecture, engineering, and construction customers who use AutoCAD can experience enhanced capabilities with Autodesk Docs that will allow them to transform the way their teams work and experience digital project delivery. With Markup Import, you can now connect PDF files managed in Autodesk Docs that contain markups using the full set of markup tools available. This connection can be initiated from within AutoCAD by the designer or through Autodesk Docs by the project manager to continuously synchronize changes made by collaborators back to the original DWG. Activity insights have been enhanced to include over 35 event types with detailed properties along with the ability to filter by DWG version, which requires no additional setup or configuration for drawings managed on Autodesk Docs. By merging features from the previous DWG history tool, Activity Insights in AutoCAD 2025 becomes the one source for exploring all drawing changes over the course of a design with robust file comparison capabilities. We've also added more capabilities that improve collaboration on files made with AutoCAD specialized toolsets, including Architecture and MEP, which now support automatic synchronization of projects hosted on Autodesk Docs. We've reviewed the ways that AutoCAD supports productivity through performance enhancements, automations with the help of Autodesk AI, and enhanced collaboration using Autodesk Docs. AutoCAD can also be tailored with functionality that fits discipline-specific routines and workflows. Autolisp has been used by CAD teams to automate tasks, set standards, and tailor workflows in AutoCAD. Customers can leverage thousands of previously written programs or create their own. Users can even run some of their routines on AutoCAD on the web and on AutoCAD LT. This is something that customers may not already be aware of since we released this capability in AutoCAD LT 2024, adding more value to the LT offering. With the Autodesk App Store, you can access over 1,000 third-party apps created to customize AutoCAD for specific workflows. And by leveraging the AutoCAD API, users can also create their own apps to list on the Autodesk App Store. Autodesk also partners up with industry leaders to bring valuable information directly into AutoCAD. With AutoCAD 2025, customers can now ground projects with real-world geographical information using Esri's ArcGIS base maps. With access to 5 base maps, AutoCAD provides AEC professionals with the foundations to make informed decisions. As with every release of AutoCAD, we want to remind you of the incredible value we're able to provide customers with specialized toolsets, included with every subscription to AutoCAD. Across 7 specialized toolsets, users saw an average productivity gain of 63% for tasks completed using enhanced features, functionality, and parts available for specific industry needs. Please be sure to review the AutoCAD 2025 release notes for more details on updates made to AutoCAD and the specialized toolsets. The AutoCAD 2025 portfolio represents capabilities trusted by millions and is designed to accelerate creativity with best-in-class tools for 2D drafting, design, and documentation, essential for everyday needs. For more information about what you learned today, and for a copy of this presentation, please visit the AutoCAD product page on OTS. This is your one-stop for all sales assets that we continue to add on and update throughout the year. Thank you for joining the AutoCAD FY25 Global Launch presentation.